dick, for the record.
You're not wrong.
I just want this.
Just clip it in your beard.
It'll get lost.
Do it.
I think it'll get lost.
With this, I mean base.
Shut up.
My play was a dick in my mouth.
Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, this is John, bass player from Murder More. You're watching Hodgepodge. We're gonna go through a gear rundown. My main is my Gallien-Krueger Neo 410 cab. It's 800 watts and it's got that nice GK growl behind it. Coming out with that, my Ampeg Portaflex PF500 500 watt amp. This thing is amazing. It's small. I carry it around in a portable pistol case. People get a little freaked out when they see that. Main tone, kind of BP 355 Digitech pedal. I just have it on one of the presets that I liked. I basically screwed around with it till I got the sound I wanted. My main bass that I play, Ernie Bongo. I bought this. This is either a first or second year edition that came out. 2003 or 2004. I think I bought it when I was 17. Sounds fantastic. The dual humbuckers are amazing. Play Ernie Ball power slinkies on it. It's the heavier gauge 4-string. Just because we're down tuned, it gets that clank out of the neck. That's pretty much everything. I don't use picks. I play with my fingers because I'm a man.
I like that.